Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Meena Arts Gallery. Today craft making video is specially for school children to develop their skill of craft and other participants. So today we are going to make Diwali Kandil or lantern. So let's start. The required materials are scissor, fevicol, wool, 3 rectangular shaped chart paper. So we have 1, 2, 3. Take 1 chart paper of your choice. First step. Take the 2 edges of the sheet. Move slightly towards the opposite side. Join it with the opposite corners. Once again we'll explain you. चार्ट पेपर की लॉन्ग साइड के 2 कॉर्नर्स को लेना है. धीरे से ऑपोजिट साइड के कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर रखना है. अच्छे से फोल्ड करो. Now take your gum. Apply it on the 4 corners of the one side of the sheet. Once again we'll explain you. एक साइड के शीट के चारों कॉर्नर्स में गम लगाकर अच्छे से फोल्ड करके स्टिक करना है. Again apply gum on the one end of the corner. See, एक साइड के कॉर्नर पे गम लगाना है. Now take the opposite side, do the circle folding and stick it. So, opposite साइड के कॉर्नर को सर्कल की तरह घुमाकर फोल्ड करना है. Then stick करो. Keep 2 minutes under the fan. Now take your circle and rotate it. So our circle fold is ready now. Now it's second step. Take second chart paper and scissor. Take the 2 edges of the sheet and join it with the opposite corner and fold it into 2 parts. Once again we'll explain you. चार्ट पेपर की 2 कॉर्नर्स को लेना है. उसको ऑपोजिट कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर रखना है. फोल्ड करना. Now we'll do try folding to make squares. Take one side of the corner. Move towards opposite side. Same time, take other side also together. Once you feel the sheet is looking like square shape, then fold it. Once again, we'll explain you. एक साइड के कॉर्नर को ऑपोजिट साइड की तरह लेकर आना है. सेम टाइम दूसरे कॉर्नर्स को भी लेकर आना है. जब स्क्वायर की तरह दिखेगा तो फोल्ड करना है. Now cut the foldings. You will get 6 square sheet. But I want 2 more also. So I will take new chart paper and draw 2 squares and cut it. Now you have total 8 squares. Now take your gum, apply it on one end, stick it with the opposite end to make designer circle. Once again we'll explain you. स्क्वायर के एक एंड में गम लगाना है. पेपर को सर्कल शेप में फोल्ड करके ऑपोजिट एंड के साथ स्टिक करना है. So we'll repeat the same procedure for all 8 squares. Hope all are done. Keep your 8 squares aside. Now third step. Take the remaining sheet. Here also you have longer side and smaller side. So we'll fold smaller side into 2 parts. Again do one more folding. Now draw the lines on the sheet. And cut the lines. Don't cut it fully. Cut half from the one side and other half from the other side, so you will get the strip smoothly. Now take your big circle we made earlier. Apply gum in the inside corner of the circle. Once again, सर्कल की अंदर की साइड में गम लगाना है. Now stick the strips on the gum applied side. एक एक स्ट्रिप्स को गम के ऊपर स्टिक करना है. Now it's our last step. Take your designer circle, stick on the big circle. ऐसे एक एक डिजाइनर सर्कल को बड़ा सर्कल के ऊपर स्टिक करना है. Repeat the same procedure for all the 8 designer circles. If you are sticking the designer circle closely to each other, then you may require more designer circles, so you can make more and stick it. If you want to decorate your candle or lantern, you can stick stones, flowers and other decorative materials in the middle of the designer circle. make 2 holes exactly opposite side on the circle. Now tie it with a thread or hook. So finally our candle and lantern is ready. So we can hang it outside our home. See, it looks so beautiful. Everyone try it and make your own candle. Hope all enjoyed the video by making lantern. So subscribe, share, like it for future updates. Thank you all. Have a good day.